Hey my YouTube loves, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting all festive in this video because I have decided to do something I've never done before on this channel, and I'm going to have a Christmas card exchange. So I love receiving mail, from you guys. I just got this wonderful postcard from one of my subscribers in Alabama. So thank you for the wonderful postcard. It really made my day. And tell little Parker I said hi if you're watching this video. Hi, Parker. So I love this postcard. Thank you very much. I'm not going to read what it said, but I got your postcard. So I decided this year for Christmas to do a Christmas card exchange. So what that means is, if you send me your address, my email address is down below, as well as my post office box information, I'm going to mail you guys a card back. If you just want to receive a card from me, send me your address and I'm going to mail you guys a card. But for everyone who mail me a card, I'm going to do a secret Santa with a couple of the cards and throw some gift cards, little trinkets in there, holiday cheer inside your card when I mail it back to you. So this is going to be a short, quick video. So I'm getting all ready for the holidays. Every card I receive, I usually check my post office box every Saturday. So every card I receive, I will show it in an upcoming video. So again, if you want to participate in my Christmas card exchange, send me your address using my email address down below. And you can mail me one. My P.O. box information down below. I would love to receive a Christmas card from you. I love Christmas cards. It's my favorite time of the year. So I wanted to put this video out a little bit before December 1st. You guys can get those, Christmas cards from the store and mail it out to me. I also want to challenge my girl Edna from Edna's World. Tell your grandbaby Dallas I would love to receive a Christmas card from him. I know she watches my videos every time. So tell little Dallas that one of his #1 fans won a Christmas card this year. So other than that, you guys, the holidays are coming up. Hope you guys have a wonderful and safe holiday. Send me those addresses. Mail me some cards. I'm looking forward to it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe this video. And until the next video, peace, my loves.